All right, kindergarten, you should have your reader's notebook open to page 61, 61. And on that page, you are going to first write your name at the top on that dotted line where it says name. And after you write your name, we are going to trace over these letters in the box with a 1. So first we have what letter? A. We have the capital A and the lowercase a. And we are going to trace from left to right and top to bottom, okay? So let's start at the top line and go to the bottom and go back to the top and go to the bottom and cross over in the middle to make that capital A. Then for our lowercase a, we're going to start at the dotted line, go around making a circle and put a stick attached to it. C, again, start from left to right and we're going to go from the top down to the bottom and do the same for C, T, and P. Starting at the top, going to the bottom, going back to the top. Great, and we did P last week, so you should be pros. All right, let's look at these pictures. We are going to put the letter that we hear at the beginning of the word. So that first picture, we see a pumpkin, pumpkin. I hear the letter P. So let's do a capital P and then a lowercase p again, starting from top to bottom and again left to right. Good. All right, next I see a cow. And what is that k sound? It is a C. So start from top and go around to the bottom and curve up. Oh, I don't like the way mine looks, so I'm going to try again. So I'm going to go from top, go down to the bottom and curve around a little back up. Capital C, lowercase c. Next I see a towel, a pink towel. And I know that towel says t, 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 and that is a T. Capital T, over, lowercase t. A little above the dotted line, go down, and then cross over on the dotted line. I see an alligator. Says A. Go from top to bottom, a little slanted, cross on the dotted. Lowercase a is a circle below the dotted line and put a stick attached to it. Next, I see an axe. Again, an A. So I'm going to put a capital A. Oh, I don't like the way that looks again, so I can erase it. Just like if you don't like the way yours looks and it's not easy to read, you should do it again. Use that eraser and erase it and try again. That's a nice thing about pencils. And a lowercase a. Good. Oh, and I did go a little below the line, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that a little. There we go. All right, last one. It's the number 10. 10. That's a T. So I'm going to go capital T from top to bottom, cross over, top to bottom, and cross over for both. And once you finish that page, I want you to go post it on Seesaw so I can see that you did it and how great your letter writing is. And then after you take a picture on Seesaw, close your book and put it away in a safe spot for all your learning materials.